New developments today as the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco heard arguments about whether ICE agents were racially profiling people when conducting immigration raids in Los Angeles.
ABC 7 News reporter Luz Pena spoke with experts. She's in the newsroom with more on how this case could affect immigration raids all around the country, Luz.
Yes, Dan and Emma, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has a lot of authority when it comes to Western states. Today, federal judges questioned a potential quota of 3,000 detentions a day. The government attorney did not confirm this as the reason behind the raids in public spaces in Los Angeles, where ICE agents haven't double-checked if in fact people were undocumented before detaining them. All eyes are on San Francisco as 3 federal judges challenged the government on the strategy of immigration agents during raids in Los Angeles.
Home Depots where people are standing looking for jobs, and car washes because they're car washes, etc.
And Your Honor, if an agent then testified, oh no, the reason we went to Home Depot is because based on intelligence, surveillance, our experience in the field, whatever else, our experience last week in the same location, that's why we picked it. Are we now outside the scope of the injunction because there's something else being considered?
In June, ICE detained approximately 1,600 people over a 3-week period in Los Angeles. The principal deputy assistant attorney general for the U.S. Department of Justice argued in court.
We certainly do not accept the proposition that the individuals who were detained without reasonable suspicion.
An attorney for the ACLU fought back.
That's why what they're arguing here is that they had reasonable suspicion. The problem is they haven't offered actual evidence in any of these particular cases. We did, and the evidence that we presented shows, in the I-213 of Mr. Perdomo Vasquez, it doesn't say anything about why he was stopped.
University of San Francisco professor Bill Hing believes this case could impact immigration enforcement strategies throughout the country.
This is going to slow ICE down. It's going to force them to look at the Constitution, and they're going to have to do their homework. If they think somebody's undocumented, well, they've got to find out who that person is and do an investigation.
After more than an hour, the federal judges decided to evaluate further before making a decision on how the government should conduct raids.
Because the country needs to know whether or not ICE and other federal agents are going after individuals who have genuinely been identified as illegally in the country, or whether it's relying on racial profiling.
Now, it will be up to these 3 federal judges to decide how the government should target individuals before detentions. A decision is expected soon.